Hey friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead, and today I'm making pot roast. Okay, here is my Dutch oven, and I'm going to turn this on the burner, and I'm going to put some saved bacon grease there. It's not going to be enough. I'm going to put in a knob of butter, and these are my vegetables. 2 sweet potatoes, 3 white potatoes for Daddy, and some carrots, and of course Papa's onion. Now this roast I got at Giant Tiger. It was $14.97, but it was $4 off. And if you peel this sticker off, it says proudly Canadian. I'm going to take this out of the package. I'm actually going to rinse it, folks. Why? Because I don't know who handled it last, and well, that's just me. And we want to get this bacon fat, whatever fat you use. You can use oil, short, and whatever. We want to get that sizzling. Now we don't want to burn the butter, but we want this pan sizzling. And we're just going to take our roast and fat side down first. We're just going to press that down into the pan. And now that it's touching the pan, I'm going to use my tongs. And we're going to sear this all over. Every surface we can hit the pan with, we're going to sear it. And if anybody can tell me why this is good to do, let me know. I just know it works well for a nice roast. I just know that when my father cooked a roast, he never learned to sear it, and his roasts were always dry. And let that bottom part get a little bit browner than the rest, then we're going to flip it over. Alright, our oven is preheated to 350 degrees. We'll put that seared side up, just like that. And I'll start with the white potatoes, because Daddy likes them with the flavor of the butter and everything. And then we'll do the carrots. This is a home economics meal. Why? Because I have 2 carrots and some wrinkly potatoes and some onions that are going soft. So, there we go for Papa. And there's my sweet potatoes. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. And into a 350 degree oven. This is going for 2.5 hours. Okay, I forgot to tell you, the roast is still frozen in the center. That's why it's 2.5 hours. If it was fresh, it would be an hour. Hour and a half tops. The stovetop is a mess, but I am doing other things at the moment. Papa's gonna be home any minute, so let's look at dinner. Ooh, sorry about the steam. Maybe I should open it away. Oh my. Look at that. Now I'm just going to let that settle, and then I'm going to make some gravy. I'm sorry, folks. I don't even know if you saw me take this out and put it all on this platter because I wasn't recording. But now I'm making the gravy with the juice. And all I've done is taken all the juice from the bottom, and I took a half a cup of water in a jar, added 2 tablespoons of flour, brought my drippings up to a boil, poured in my flour mixture, and into the gravy boat this goes. I'm just going to set that over there, because Gracie's going to get that, because this is all we need for supper. What do you mean, why is this a special dinner?
Yeah, it's a very nice dinner, but why is it a video?
Because it was a one-pot wonder.
Damn fine.
You're gonna put your, yeah, there we go. I was gonna say, you're gonna put that knife down long enough to give us a thumbs up.
No.
Daddy. Right out of his mouth.
Grizzly part.
There you go, my goodness. This is the Miss Wolfie from our half acre homestead saying, there it is, another one pot wonder. I'm gonna go eat. I'm hungry. Love you. Take care. God bless.